Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are perfectly fine at home. In my last video we have learned three letters, letter X, letter Ya and letter Z. Now we are going to revise those letters from our workbook. This is your English workbook, page number 93. On this page you just have to trace the letter and then learn the friends of letter. For example, how to trace that you already know. First, we draw a line from this point to the right and then a slant line from here to the left. And what are these friends? Xylophone, X-mystery, X-ray. These are the friends of X. Coming to the next page, page number 94. On this page you just have to trace the letter this many times and learn the friend of X, X's, X and X, X-ray. Coming to the next page, this is page number 95. On this page there is an activity for you. You have to draw a xylophone or paste it like this. These are the strips of paper and then you will draw two sticks and that's all. Now we are going to do some worksheets that will be related to those letters. This is page number 96 of your workbook and we have to do this worksheet. Now let's start. Trace and match the X things only. Means you are going to match the friends of X with this and you will also trace this letter here. How to trace that you already know. Let me give you an example. How you gonna match these things? First you will identify that what is this. This is a X-mystery. So then you think that does X-mystery is a friend of X? If you think that yes, if the beginning sound of X-mystery and X is the same, then you will match this tree with the letter. Coming to the next picture. Now you will first identify. So then you think that does violin is the friend of X? Does beginning sound of violin and X is the same? If yes, then you will match it, and if no, then you won't match it. Similarly, we will be finding the activities of X on our homework booklet also. Here you just have to color the xylophone and learn it and trace the letter X. On the next page you are going to color all of these things and learn the friends of X. This is page number 119. On page 120 you just have to trace the letter. Okay, now this is the most important page. My camera is not working. It's really not okay, fine. Okay, on this page 121, what you're going to do, you have to match the correct picture with the letter. For example, first you will see all these pictures, you will identify them, and then the picture that is related to this letter, you will be matching them like this. For example, first you will see this picture and think that what is this? So does wristwatch is the friend of X? Does the beginning sound of both of them match? No. Watch is the friend of V. So you don't match these two with each other. Then coming here, first you will identify, I think so, this is a xylophone, and then you will see that who are the friends of this letter, and if xylophone is one of them, then you will match it like this. Similarly, you will do for these three pictures.